Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the geometric programming non-linear optimization techniques problem. For that we have the problem minimization of z equals to 8x1 to the power minus 2 plus 2x2 to the power 2 into x3. Have the constant subject to 2x1 to the power 2 into x2 to the power minus 2 plus x3 to the power minus 2 should be less than or equals to 3, where x1, x2, x3 should be greater than or equals to 0. Let's come to the solution. First we have to find out the degree of difficulty for this problem. For that we have the formula terms minus variable minus 1. So we have to given the terms value for all the terms we have, that is minimization of z equals to 8x1 to the power minus 2. So I will give rho 01 as a first term plus 2x2 to the power 2 into x3 rho 02 as a second term, where subject to, so in the extreme right we have the 3, so we should ensure that there should be the 1 only. So for that I will divide these both terms by 3, 2 by 3, x1 to the power 2, x2 to the power minus 2. For that I will give the rho 11. We should take another series for constraint, that is rho 11, and here also I will divide here by 3, so 1 by 3 x3 to the power minus 2, so 3 by 3 should be 1, and for this term I will give the values rho 1 2. So now we have 4 terms, rho 1 2, rho 1 1, rho 01 and rho 02, that is 4 terms, and x1, x2 and x3, that is 3 variables we have. So 4 minus 3 minus 1 equals to 0. So these problems comes under the 0 degree of difficulty. So now we have to converts into the max dual. For that we need to keep 8 as a constant here upon rho 01, as we assign rho 01 value here, into sum of terms in a given problem, that is rho 01 plus rho 02 to the power rho 01. Like that for second term also we need to keep 2 as a constant upon rho 02, as we have assigned rho 02 value here, into rho 01 plus rho 02 to the power rho 02. Like that for constant also we need to keep 2 by 3 as a constant, and rho 11 into all the terms in a constant, rho 11 plus rho 12 to the power rho 11. Like that for this also 1 by 3 keep as a constant upon rho 12, as we have assigned rho 12 value for these terms, into rho 11 plus rho 12 to the power rho 12. Now we need to form the matrix. So we have 3 variables we need to write down here, and like we have 4 terms t1 t2 t3 t4, like we have to write down here. So how to form the matrix? In a given first term, what is the power of x1? Minus 2, so we need to add we need to write minus 2 here. In a second term, what is the power of x1? There is no x1 in a second terms, so we need to add 0 here. In third term, what is the power of x1? 2, so we need to add 2 here. In fourth term, what is the power of x1? There is no x1, so we need to add 0 here. Like that for x2, what is the power of x2 in a first term? There is no x2 in a first term, so we need to add 0 here. In second term, there is a x2 has the power 2, so we need to write 2 here. In third term, what is the power of x2? That is minus 2, so we need to add minus 2 here. And in last term, there is no x2, so we need to add 0 here. Like that for x3, what is the power of x3 in the first term? There is no x3 in the first term, so we need to add 0 here. In second term, there is a x3 has the power 1, so we need to add 1. In third term, there is no x3, so we need to add 0 here. In last term, there is a x3 has the power minus 2, so we need to add minus 2 here. And this comes under the orthogonality. And how to write the normality? We have the 2 terms in a given problems, that is rho 01 and rho 02. For that we need to add 1 1, and for the constant we need to add 0 0, and here it will come rho 01, rho 02, rho 11 and rho 12 equals to, for orthogonality we need to add 0 0 0, and for normality we need to add 1. Now we need to form the equation. How to form the equations? Simple, we need to multiply all the rows into the column. So for I will multiply first row into the column, minus 2 into rho 01 plus, here is 0, plus 2 into rho 11 into 0. Like that for we need to multiply second row into the column. Zero into rho 01, 2 into rho 02 minus 2 into rho 11 equals to 0. Then 1 into row 02, 0 into row 11 minus 2 into row 1, 2 equals to 0, and last 1 into row 01 plus 1 into row 02 equals to 1. So from this equation we what we will get, row 01 equals to row 02 equals to row 11, and row 12 equals to 1 by 2 into row 02. As row 12 equals to 1 by 4, so by trial and error method we will get the value of row 12 equals to 1 by 4. As from this equation we will get row 12 equals to 1 by 2 into row 02, and from this equation what we will get, row 01 plus row 02 equals to 2. As row 01 equals to row 02, x equals to row 01, so we can write row 02 equals to 1, so we will get the value of row 02 equals to 1 by 2. So we need to put this row 02 equals to 1 by 2 here, so we will get the row 12 equals to 1 by 4. So let's move forward. So from that we will get the value of row 02 equals to 1 by 2, as row 2 equals to row 01 into equals to row 11, so the same value for all three, and row 12 equals to 1 by 4. So now what we have to do, we have to add these values in a max dual form. So after putting these values we will get the z dash values, that is 2.048, and now we have what we have to do, we have to calculate the values of x1, x2 and x3. For that what we have to do, from the equations, for first term, z dash into row 01 equals to 8x1 to the power minus 2, z dash into row 02 into 2x2 to the power 2 into x3, like that for constant also. Z dash as row 11 equals to, this will come as a same, and z dash into row 12 equals to, this will come as the same. So after putting z dash value here, and row 01, row 02, row 11, row 12 values, we will get the values of x1, and from this we will get the one equation, x2 to the power 2 into x3 equals to 0.512, and from third equations, from this equation we will get the value of x2, that is 2.25, and after putting this x2 value here we will get the values of x3, that is 0.10, and after getting the value of x1, x2 and x3, now we have to put these values in a given problem, that is minimization of z equals to 8x1 to the power minus 2 plus 2x2 to the power 2 into x3. After putting this value we will get the value of minimization of z equals to 2.05. This is the optimal solution we will get. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.